Ulo na nagbabagang balita. Ngayon, tatalakayin natin kung ano nga ba ang Impressionism art. Ang Impressionism ay nadevelop sa France noong 19th century ni Claude Monet. Ito ay outdoor painting o tinatawag nating plein air. Usually, landscape and everyday life ang subject nito. Imbis na studio pinipinta ang mga obra, gusto ng mga impressionist artists na makapture ang paggalaw ng ilaw at ng araw upang mapalabas nila ang light and color effect ng kanilang subject. Dabbing ang technique na ginagamit dito. Ito yung maliliit na strokes upang mapalabas ang light effect sa kombinasyon ng pinagpatong-patong ng kulay. Hindi kaagad natanggap ang impressionism art dahil bago nga sa paningin ng mga art critic noon na sanay sa realism. Painting ni Monet na Impressionist Sunrise ang siyang naging basehan ng tawag para sa movement na ito. Si Claude Monet, Camille Pissarro, Edgar Vega, Paul Cézanne, and Auguste Renoir ang unang mga artist na nag-exhibit ng Impressionist art noong 1874 sa Paris at sa France. Para mabigyan pa kayo ng madaming kaalaman at malinawan sa Impressionism, andito si Mr. Mercado para ibahagi sa inyo ang kaalaman tungkol dito.
Impressionism was 19th century art movement that began as association of Paris-based artists who began exhibiting their art publicly in the 1860s. The name of the movement is derived from the title of the Claude Monet painting called Impression Sunrise. Impressionist artists felt the new technology of photography was running the art of painting. They held the need to create a new style of painting in which accurate rendering of the subject was not the main focus. The Impressionists changed the approach to painting by creating sensation in the eye that this subject thought rather than creating the subject. Public at first hated the paintings, then gradually came to believe that the Impressionists had captured it in the original vision. The art critics of the time continued to disapprove, calling the painting unfinished sketch. Characteristic of Impressionist painting include visible brush strokes, light colors, emphasis on lights, ordinary subject matters, unusual visual angles, and open composition. Today, the Impressionist style is very much alive and very successful techniques of painting. Too many artists have painted in the Impressionist style. The following artists were the innovators and masters of their style.
Salamat sa iyong pagbahagi, Mr. Mercado. Ngayon naman, dadako na tayo upang kilalanin kung sino-sino ba ang Master of Impressionism. Una-una na dyan ay si Claude Monet. Ang pangalawa, si Auguste Renoir. Pangatlo, si Edgar Degas. At pangapat, si Camille Pissarro. At panglima, si Alfred Siley. Kung saan, Sila ang mga Master of Impressionism. At ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano-ano yung mga paintings na ginawa nila. Unang-unang na dyan ay si Claude Monet. Makikita nyo at magpa-flash dyan ang mga painting ni Claude Monet. Sunod naman ay ang mga paintings ni Agustin Renard. At sumunod naman, ang painting naman ni Edgar Degas. At ang sumunod ay si Alfred Sisley. Sila ang mga kung makikita nyo, ayan ang mga paintings na kanilang ipininta. Ngayon naman, nadako tayo sa painting techniques developed by Impressionists. Balik sa iyo, Mr. Mercado.
Let's talk about painting techniques developed and used by the Impressionists. Short, deep stroke of painting are used to quickly capture the essence of the subject rather than its details. Colors are applied side by side with as little mixing as possible, creating a vibrant surface. The optical mixing of color coats in the eye of the viewer. The play of natural lights is emphasized. The play of natural lights is emphasized. Close attention is paid to the reflection of color from subject to subject. Grays and dark tones are produced by mixing complementary colors and pure impressionist. The use of block painting avoided.
Nabigyan linaw na ba sa inyo kung ano ang Impressionism at ang mga characteristic, techniques at kung sino-sino ang Impressionism artist na ito? Kung gayon man, salamat sa inyong mga pananood. Hanggang sa muli, bayan!